Wireless EMG System MYOstack. Hi and welcome to the review. This video will demonstrate how to set up MYOstack system and will include all the components description, system connection, and recording EMG signal. So, let's take a look what's in the box. EMG sensors, Wi-Fi receiver, Wi-Fi transmitter, elastic bands and wires. Here is the EMG sensor from the MYOstack system. It is very compact. It has surface dry electrodes made of stainless steel to connectors and mechanical signal gain. This is Wi-Fi receiver from MYOstack system. It has USB-C type. It connects to computer and gather all the signal from the transmitter. This is Wi-Fi transmitter. It has 10 equal female connectors, so you can configure the system as you want. C-type USB intended for battery connection. Elastic band is useful to fix sensors on limbs, but also you can use medical tape or sport tape for that purposes. Connection wires included in the system have different lengths, but all have the same connectors, so you can connect them as convenient for you. Also, you will need for system setup some additional things. Two USB cables C-type for connection the receiver and for powering the transmitter. Power bank for powering transmitter. First step, connect Wi-Fi receiver to laptop. When the receiver is connected to the laptop, the indication LED on it lights up red. Second step, sensor connection to the transmitter. Connect one of the wires to the sensor. It doesn't matter which connector on sensor you choose because they are the same. After that, connect the wire to any connector on the transmitter. Connectors on transmitter are also the same. Next you need to power the transmitter, so we connect power bank to it. Once the transmitter is powered, connected sensor lights up blue and the transmitter lights up red. Third step, place the EMG sensor on target area. Contract the target muscle and find the belly of the muscle. Place the sensor on it along the muscle fibers. Make sure that sensor has a tight contact with skin, especially when you fix it with tape or elastic band. Fourth step, run the MYOstack GUI. MYOstack GUI is free and open source software for visualization, recording, and processing EMG signals. Open the MYOstack GUI file through the idle and press F5 to run the program. Here we can see the graphical interface of program. We place the sensor on target muscle to see EMG signals. Here we perform various muscle contractions with different strengths and durations. This muscle activity is measured and visualized in real time. The sensors of MYOstack system are very sensitive. They provide accurate measurements of EMG signals, even weak ones. The full set of MYOstack system includes 9 EMG sensors. Let's see how it works as an EMG armband. As you can see, the system doesn't require much muscle tension to register gestures and muscle activity performing by them. Natural movements are enough. The MYOstack system could have various configurations according to your needs. Thank you for watching our review of the MYOstack system version 2.0. For further details about the system and purchase, please visit our website elmyo.com.